Hello buddy, this is John Wimmer of the George Wimmer Railway. As you can see, I've been a bit busy on the old layout of late. I've just bought these footbridges here because I'm going to have a little work area just there, because they're installing the platform under tunnels just there, the subways. Yeah, to replace these bridges here. So I've got one that's been installed, actually one being excavated there, and another little one there. I've just slightly changing platform one there. It's going to have some more bits and bobs on there when I get time to do it. The detailing of the platform is about finished now. I've got to do the edges down here and also put the lines on, but weathering wise it's about done now, that is. So I thought I'd give it a bit of a test now, because it's actually had an engine round here for a bit, so with one thing or another. So I thought I'd give it a bit of a run. So we'll just look. The first engine to actually go around the railways is on. So let's get the old controller. Let's have a look, see what we can do here. And there she goes. This is a 1 in 9 incline up through that main tunnel as we go past the mine. Then we sneak round past the school and the church and onto the actual main embankment. The tunnel past the computers. And back round. And success! Hooray! I'm glad it works. Yeah, that's the first one to go round. This bit has always been really difficult bit for me, because it's such a sharp turn up into these inclines. So I really want to get this embankment to look deep, so it comes quite high just here, as you can probably imagine, but she makes it nice. And then all the way around. Just down there. Yeah. And she comes around there. It's a tight little bit of steer. That's a bit like I was having difficulty with that little bloke who's down there that was been shot. That's my little marker. I had to just alter the platform on that. So it just didn't quite come out right with the platform spacing on that bit, but we got there in the end. Get it right down low, showing let's get down to the canal. Down to the canally bit. There we go. Bit of line side view. Looking down there from there. Let's get up on the other side, shall we? Let's climb through. Hold on. Down we go. Whoop. Always fun climbing through a tunnel. There you go. Hey, we made it. Happy trees. Right, let's get down here. Wait for it, wait for it. She's a coming. There she comes. Success. Yeah, it works. Yes, 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 yes. It actually works, my goodness me. This bit always worried me when I first built the layout, because it's the incline, it's actually quite extreme. Over that short distance, it is a 0.9 incline. It's like the maximum that you can pretty do on these, to be honest, to keep traction. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Right, let's go and turn her off. Hang on it. Oh yeah, yeah. I've got a toilet, so otherwise it's a mess. Got bloody trains everywhere. Look. There's a lot all over the bloody place. Yeah. Look at the canal again. Let's get right down there by that boat. Bulrushes, yay! There we go. Just wait for the line side view now. Yes! One of my first trees. Got a load down tonight this week. Another bloody 40, I think. Right. Well, that's test successful, I think. So I'll go on once more around. Didn't notice a little bit of a jump just down there. So I think I might have a bit too much solder on the old line just there, so I'll have a quick look at that. Otherwise, yeah. Success. Hello, ladies. I've got to brush them all this week. Oh, they need a wash. Got to do that as well this week as well. I'll get that wide up there. That is actually wide up now, so might have to do it that this week. But yeah, it's all looking pretty good now. So happy about that. I've got lights and canopy to put onto this yet as well, along here. Some lights and canopy to make. So I'm going to be busy this week. But yeah, I like that. That's looking pretty good. How close that is though. And off he pops around the corner. Yeah, that's good. That's a good one. Yeah. Yeah, she works. Oh, thank cross for that. Yeah, that's good news. Right, better get on with get some of this stuff done now. I think I'll get all these poles all painted up. They're only like position for now. Get the farm finished off as well. She goes down there. Woo. They get some bloody speed up down there, doesn't it? She comes through now, look. Yeah. There she comes. The little county. There it is. First loco around the layout. It's proper county of Flint. Well done. Well done, sir. And all the main line wagons at the back of there. Yeah, well, there she is. The layout is now officially working. I've got to build like crazy now. It's got build. Yeah, well, this is me, John Well, saying, "Way! Super duper." It's worked. It's worked great. Oh, I am happy. Anyway, this is me, John Well, saying, well, that's it. The George Wimmer Railway is up and officially working now. Lots of building to do. I've got these around here just trying to hold the people up so I can glue them, because they do seem to fall over like crazy on theirs. Look, Yeah, I don't know why. Just get like it getting shot. But anyway, this is me saying ta for now. Thanks for subscribing, and yeah, the railway is up and running. Hey! So bye from me, bye from the railway. Ta for now, folks.